Hello, I am Arun Nagarwal from EVs India Consulting. So this was a fantastic program on the digital demography, and today we have discussed like what is the impact of the extreme level of digitization that is happening. Digital technology is coming to so many people on the upper side, business owners, as well as economically lower side, which is the drivers, the house help, and other people. So primarily we discussed what are the implications of this technology proliferation, and we have also discussed what are the security aspects, because there are a lot of frauds also happening at the same time. So primarily we have seen how the businesses can actually take advantage of this widespread digital technology, where we can take advantage for the business, we can uplift the lower economic strata of the people, and we can also protect ourselves from the impact, the security impact and other impacts related like frauds and all. So how we can take good care of that. That was a nice discussion. I was really happy to be a panelist here, and I learned a lot myself.
And I just wanted to say that like all these SMS spamming which happens. So I have complained hundreds of times to Airtel and all. I have told them.
No, it is not need not to complain to Airtel.
I understand.
It is a Department of
Yeah.
So
So we have even done that. They have particular numbers. I am not saying that what you're saying is wrong.
So
it is the right way.
ownership is with the government of India.
They don't
So
do much. I have personal experience. That is what I am saying. But I would encourage still. I would encourage, because if the volume of complaints is very high, then they will possibly listen. And I am sure that you must be knowing this is something which is a very common knowledge. But I would take the risk of repeating this information. That sometimes we have this NEFT fraud. Like this is for the business people, because I see a lot of business people. One of the frauds which my clients have faced, especially in the jute industry, I even gave a talk on this. So I'll just very quickly describe how it works, and it may help save you some money sometime. What happens is that firstly they will hack into your email account. So possibly you have weak password, or you clicked on some link related to whatever. So your phone has got some malware. Now when you access your email, they will check your password. They will get hold of your password. They will go to your email account and they will silently monitor it by forwarding your email to some account. They'll silently monitor. Now when you send an invoice, supposing especially for exporters, I see quite a few exporters here, you face that. They would write a mail to your customer. Yeah. So they will send an email saying that our bank is having some audit and all, please send money to this German account or this account. So the antidote to this, which I suggest to my clients, and you may also apply, is that I tell my clients as well as my clients to tell their clients, please write an email to your customers telling them that my accounts do not change. And if they ever change, and if you ever get an email from any of my people, my accountant, myself, whoever, then you definitely call back on my known phone number, not the number given in the email. You have my email, otherwise my number, otherwise how are we doing business? So always verify. We call it two-factor authentication, as we do it in Facebook and Gmail and all. So you verify from me that whether your account has changed, I have got this information, should I pay to this new account? If you educate your clients, so to say, if you inform them about this, then there is a very good chance that they will not pay to this guy. They will call back and you will understand. Another thing is, if you are having lots of business email accounts, some people have hundreds and thousands, some have only 10. Please employ one of your guys to at least once a week, if possible more frequently, if not possible less frequently, to verify your emails panel, control panel. It could be CE panel, it could be Gmail, it could be whatever. Please keep monitoring two aspects of that email. One is that they may create new email accounts and they may send spam through this. Number two is, generally what is more prevalent is that they forward the account of your accountant or manager or owner to some dummy account. So today I got something blackbox14@gmail.com. I wonder how they allow these kind of accounts, but that is a separate topic. So every email of this accountant was being copied over to this account. He was monitoring what invoices this guy is sending. Sorry for my long talk, but I think this is very useful for us and for business owners. So all these copies, and then they would probably write, and they have all the details in the invoice. So you should constantly monitor whether any of my email accounts are being forwarded somewhere. And if those accounts are not known, like unknown email addresses, then you should delete that. Change the password of this person whose email is being forwarded. And another thing which is extremely vital is that all of us, most of us use antivirus on our computers, do we? Do you know what is the credibility of that antivirus? I think you do your due diligence. How many of us here, I will take a very quick survey, use an antivirus on our mobiles? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Only 4 people, and me included, so 5. 5 people only use an antivirus on our mobile. Next question. Do you have your banking account on your mobile? You have. Right? Yes. How many?
Yes.
You have your banking account on your mobile, but you don't have an antivirus. So if anybody sends you a dummy link or something by mistake, or by checking, if somebody sends a nude photograph of, pardon my language, but of Priyanka Chopra, or Harnaz Sandhu, or some video related to Queen's funeral, there is a very good chance you will open it. Huh? So, and if you open it, then you will be infected with the malware, and then your account details will be passed on. So that risk you are always having. One of the antiviruses, I know I don't want to sell anything because I am not selling antivirus anyway. That comes for 199 rupees per year. I hope everybody here can afford that, 199 per year. So if you have got an antivirus on your phone, there is a very good chance any of these phishing links will come. They will block it, saying no, this is not a proper. And you must have got those promotions. Something .ru, the American Tourister is having their 50th celebration. Vistara is celebrating their 25th anniversary. They are getting free tickets to Cadbury.
Amazon. This morning only it went viral.
Tanish does a lot of giveaway through their Russian counterparts. So it is Tanish something. Actually, I can take a 3-hour class on frauds and all these things, but we'll probably be deviating, and hogging the mic is a very bad idea. But this fraud alert I definitely wanted to put because we're talking about the social implications of this. So they use these psychological techniques to put. So please think of using an antivirus on your mobile. That's extremely easy.
I just want to add on the kind of fraud we are talking about. So like I am running a company which is completely online platform. So we are selling through Amazon, we are selling through Flipkart, we are selling through Meesho, Glowroad. So a new kind of things are happening in my life. So when I started, the kind of customers Amazon, Meesho or Glowroad scrutinize is very different the way Flipkart works. So I used to get 7-8 orders every day, and my product is like shampoo, shower gel, body lotion, face wash. And most of the orders were from from the northeast part of the country, from like Malda, Murshidabad, those kind of places. What kind of fraud they are doing through e-commerce portal is that they are giving an order, making a payment, and once I supply the material to them, they are making a claim that I have sent a piece of sabun or a piece of paper or a piece of XYZ. They keep the product with themselves, put some lipstick or eyeliner which is cost around just 10 or 15 rupees in the same box, repack it and resend it. So goods return, and they're again claiming it. The SPF claims they are claiming the amount because they are, as an COD basis, you have to pay the cash first, then you have to then you will get the packet and everything. It could be you can be looking fictitious, but when you're making a prepaid payment, the customer is very nice. So the seller become theft. Might be he is doing something wrong. And when continuously 10 or 15 kind of claims comes in a month, the Flipkart or your agency thought of, okay, this seller might be something wrong with this seller, because 15 people are claiming.
They blacklist or grey list.
They grey list, they blacklist, they put you on hold. Lot of people come to survey. these kind of frauds are also happening in the country, in every part of the country, which we should also take a note on it.
Yeah, so just to curb this, Flipkart has recently come up with an opportunity where even you have made a prepaid order or it's a COD. Before delivering the goods, just for example, I've just bought this on Flipkart, the Big Billion Day sale. So they give you opportunity to verify the product. They will open it, they will show you everything inside the box, they will start it so that you can confirm whether it's genuine or not and pass it out to you or deliver it to you.
Then only you confirm.
Then only you will have to give the OTP that yes, it's accepted.
But this is basically an open case inspection.
Yeah, so it has recently been started by
It is
Flipkart
better.
and definitely means like these things will like be applicable everywhere.
Yes.
Like two factors started off with particular maybe Facebook or something, but now it's applicable everywhere. Likewise, this is going to happen. So this is basically a part of the transformation of the digital era. So digital plus logic, logistic is what this is all about.